Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English online class. Today we are going to see the grammar part tense. Okay. The topic is tense. Okay. What is tense? Tense is the form of a verb. Okay. Form of a verb that shows something happened. Something happened means the action is already done. Okay. Is happening. Is happening means now it's going on the process. Okay. Is going to happen. The future the next one going to happen. Okay. There are three main types: past tense, present tense, future tense. Okay. Today our topic is past tense. Okay. Before going to see the past tense, we see what is present tense, what is past tense and future tense. Okay. Let's go to see the past tense. Simple past tense is used to indicate those action which began in the past time and also got over in the past time. Action which began in the past time. Okay, action it's begun start in the past time and it's also got over. The action will be over in the past time. Okay. Past tense, things that were true before the word was spoken or written. Okay. Yes. The present tense, second one is present tense, things that are true when the word are spoken or written. The thing that are true when the word are spoken or written. Okay. Future tense, last one is the future tense, things that will be true after the word are spoken or written. Okay. The future tense is things that will be true. The statement is true after the word are spoken or written. Okay. Am, is, are, the three helping word is used in the present tense. Okay. Was were used in the past tense. Will be, had also used in the future tense before the verb. Okay. Yes. Our topic is past perfect tense. Okay. Past perfect tense. Past means it's already done. Perfect means perfect action will be done in the previous section. Okay. The past perfect tense describe the action, situation or activity that happened before any other took place in the past. Okay. The past perfect tense described action, situation and activity that happened before any other took place in the past. Okay. Past, already in the past action or got over in the past time. Okay. Let's see the example. In the positive statement, I had played. Okay. Had means future past perfect. Okay. Played, already the played means already the action is finished. Okay. Negative, I had not played. Okay. I had not played. This also already finished the action. Okay. Question, had I played? The formula, past perfect tense formula is subject plus had plus past participle. Past participle means V3. Okay. What is the formula? Had plus past participle. Subject I had, played is a verb plus ed. Okay, plus ed is a past participle. Okay. When do we use the past perfect tense? The past perfect takes before another past action. Okay, past perfect takes place before the action, before another past action. Okay, I noticed that he had left his book behind. Already noticed is a past action, that he had left his book behind is a past perfect. Okay, in the sentence, I noticed that he had left his book behind. Okay, already noticed that is a past action. Okay, he had left is a past perfect. What we see today? Tense. What is tense? Tense is a form of verb. Something happened, is happening, is going to happen. There are three main types: past, present, future. Our topic is past tense. Simple past tense is used to indicate those actions which began in the past time and also got over the past time. Okay, past perfect tense. The past perfect tense describe the action, situation or activity that happens before any other took place in the past. Okay, what is the formula? Subject plus had plus past participle plus ed. Okay,